Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. Today I have here a package that I received from Appelboom. So he contacted me about this pen and I said yes, I am interested, and he sent it to me. So let's cut this open. So the typical green box from Appelboom and with a blue knife, because there will be a blue pen inside. So let's see what Joost Appelboom sent me. It has some tape there. Okay. So, protective stuff, and the pen is here. Let me take this out of the way. And here we have, this will be a short unboxing, I hope. I don't want to waste much of your time. I've not been making lots of videos lately, so I just want to try to come back once more. So, should I open these in the right way or just rip these all apart? Okay, let's forget about it. Let's open this. So, what we have here is a Kaweco pen, Kaweco Sport, called Waterworld, and this pen is the special edition for the, let me open this, for the Dutch pen show that happened a couple of weeks ago. So it has these kind of typical blue colors from the Netherlands. I've seen these kind of colors. For example, here in Portugal we have lots of vintage tiles in churches and all that are from Dutch inspiration. They have all that blue and white. So we have the Dutch Pen Show 2025. The theme is Waterworld. So this is a little paper sleeve that comes, and here we have the pen. The pen can be bought from Appelboom and the other retailers that has the same. I don't want to mention them because I didn't list them here and I don't want to miss any, but you can buy from any of those retailers that participated on the Dutch pen show. And here I have the pen. And what can I do best here in my channel is to show you color comparisons, and that's what I'm going to do next. So I just zoomed in a little bit, or brought the camera down. Let me bring the light down a little bit also for the color comparison. Okay. And so what I have to say about it is that this is for the pen show, Dutch pen show, and that's written there, and it is available with black trim, gold trim, or chrome trim. So you have the option of having the clip, the nib, and the logo on the top of the cap in black, gold color, or silver color. The pen is made of aluminium, so it is an AL Sport, and it is one of those with the matte finish, and I hope this is a useful information for you. So I chose to have, he asked me if I was interested. I said yes. He asked me the nib that I wanted, and I decided to have a fine and black version of it. So it is available in the 3 versions, and it costs around 150 euros. It depends on the taxes of your own country, but here for Portugal it ends up with 150 euros. It comes with the regular, I have tons of these, the regular royal blue ink cartridge. So this is a regular Kaweco Sport, regular Kaweco AL Sport. I think all of you already know this pen quite well, at least if you watch my videos, you know the design and the kind of pen. And so let me just show you the color comparisons, because I think it's the best that I can do on my channel. I think this color is great. Let me just zoom in a little bit more. Okay, I think this color is great. It reflects light in a very interesting way. It has this matte finish, but it's very interesting. The writing is in a blind engraving, so it's not filled with any kind of paint. It's just blind engraving, which makes sense, because if it was white it should be silver, if it was black it should be black. So they have one kind of engraving and the three kind of metal colors. So you can see it reflects color in a very interesting way. In one side it has Kaweco AL Sport Germany, in the other side it has the Dutch Pen Show. I think the way it reflects color is very interesting. If I block the light from one side, it reflects like this. If I block the light from the other side, it's very intense. I really like this color. Just compared with this AL Sport, this Alox knife from 2020, it's kind of similar color actually. So let's see how it compares. I have several other Kaweco Sport AL Sport pens here, and so let's start. I have the light blue, which is almost white when compared with this, and we have the regular blue that is no longer made, a long time ago, and it is much darker. All these are the matte finishes. I have also here the Petrol, AL Sport Petrol, which is a very different kind of color. I also have here the last year's Dutch Pen Show color was this, which was called Tulip Fields. It's a very similar pen, but in a yellow color, which I always enjoy because I enjoy yellow pens. So this is the other special Kaweco Sport. Let me take this out of the way because it doesn't make, I can find some room for it here, but it doesn't make sense for the color comparison. It's just for you to know that it is this other version. This was sent by me by Ackerman Amsterdam, actually. So these two were regular editions. This was an exclusive edition for the Dutch Pen Show for those retailers. This was also a special edition, an exclusive edition for the Benelux, so Belgium, Netherlands and Luxembourg. I have here, this was an Asian version, maybe Taiwan, I'm not sure, or Japan, the June Bride something blue. And you can see it is much greener than the other one. I have here the Kaweco Hello Kitty in blue. I think this color is called Opal Blue, not sure. It is very much similar to the June Bride, not the same color, not close to that one. This color is really amazing. Now for another one that has this, how can I call it, this satin finish, which is the AL Sport, the Skylucent, that was a Japanese exclusive edition. It is a bright color. It's not similar, it's a very different type of blue, and because it has also a shiny finish, it becomes different to the eye. Then we have one of the most amazing colors ever for blue AL Sport, which was the Kaweco collection Iguana Blue, and this color is really amazing. Let me just put it here just for a little comparison right now, and it is very intense color, but this one has a lot of green in it, and this one is really almost neon blue, if that's possible. At least that's how it looks on camera, but it's a very intense blue, very nice. And finally, I have here this pen from Ackerman Amsterdam, and this color, I don't remember the name, maybe it was Blue Lagoon or something like that, sorry about that, I don't remember the name exactly, I need to check it. And so they sent me this one, and this is a very nice color, which I thought it was a great color when compared with the light blue, because it is a better light blue, but this one is not light blue, it is a very intense blue. So you see the light blue, this intense blue, and then the regular blue AL Sport. So tell me what you think regarding blue colors. This really looks amazing. So this pen is the Dutch Pen Show 2025 Kaweco AL Sport Waterworld, available in black with black trim, chrome trim or gold trim, and costs around 150 euros, and it is available from Appelboom and the other Dutch pen stores. So this is all for today. I hope to be back soon, maybe next week, and I will show you more pens and more stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope the color comparison was useful, and we'll meet again soon. Bye.